What's going on, all my winners? And today we bring you this stunning 2020 BMW M340i. This customer came to us previously and got his tints done, but today he's getting something special done. Stay tuned, you do not want to miss that. This 3 Series already came with tint, but it's going to get wrapped with forged carbon fiber vinyl. This is a special type of carbon fiber that was originally made by Lamborghini under the name forged composite. Typically, carbon fiber is made by laying down sheets of fiber in layers and coating it with resin. However, forged carbon fiber is a mix of fibers and resin into a paste that can be molded to various complex shapes. Now that you know what it is, see how it looks on the car. It's gonna look stellar, guys. Check it out while we wrap it out. Yeah.
Perfect.
We just finished wrapping this BMW 3 Series. The mirror caps and the wing both got wrapped with forged carbon fiber wrap. We also wrapped all the emblems and badges, giving it this cool 3D effect on most of the lettering around this vehicle. Man, check that out. It looks stellar. Keep in mind, guys, we go live every Wednesday at 9 o'clock to give you guys cash prizes. It's free, guys. You definitely want to be there. If you guys have any cool or exotic cars that you want us to tint or wrap, give us a call, email us, DM us. Maybe there's something we could work out. Without any further ado, check this bad boy out. Yeah.